Hey guys, Darren from Darren's Tech Tutorials. Let me see if I make this a bit smaller. Yeah, um, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up guard duty alerts to get them to fire to your email. Um, this is a bit of a frustrating topic. You think something like this in AWS, you just have enter your email to get the alerts, and of course they don't typically. AWS, it's a bit convoluted. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our simple notification service, and we're going to look to set up a uh, we're going to set up a topic that we can use. So SNS topic, create topic, just click standard. I'm just going to call it guard duty alerts. Okay, leave all that as the default. I'm going to click create topic. Let's give it a second here. Okay, and we can see now we have our topic here that we can use. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is going to click create description. Select protocol, I'm going to say email. I'm going to pop in my email here. And I'll click create description on that. And what this will do, it will send an email. So I'm just going to pause here briefly. I'll go and I'll click that email. So you need to do the same, go to your email and then accept it. Okay, so after you have confirmed your description, you'll get something that looks like this. Okay, great that that's done. So let's keep going here. For me, this setup is absolute nonsense. I've been having a look at it here for a while. So we need to open up CloudWatch. We need to look for rules. And again, why you just can't go into guard duty and select send, alerts to this email, I don't have a clue. We're going to click create rule. We're going to call it guard duty. Let's put a hyphen in here. Okay, we'll leave all that as is. Okay, we have some options here. So the main thing is I have a page over here that I'm following along which shows some JSON here, and I'll paste this. So I'll leave this link so you can get it yourself handy. So we need to copy this, and we're going to edit our pattern here, and we'll just paste that in there, and then we'll click next. Okay, cool. So this looks good. Okay, and for our topic, we're going to look for SNS, which we have, and then we should see our guard duty alerts there, which is perfect. It's what we want. Okay, once I have that done, I'm just going to click next. Then I'm going to click next, and okay, and then I'm just going to click create that rule. Okay, so that rule has been created now. So what we need to do next is we'll look to generate some sample alerts and see if we can get them to send. So we'll do them in 2 minutes. Okay, so let's go back to guard duty now. And I have a video on this, how to actually set up guard duty initially. So I'll leave that somewhere below where you can check. And I'm going to click on settings here first. And let's have a look. So I'm going to change this frequency. I'm going to change it to every 15 minutes because I want to check every 15 minutes. Again, I don't know what the guard duty stuff frustrates me here. Just to if I have an alert, I want to know about it soon. So I want it every 15 minutes. And then what we're going to click on generate sample findings. So let's do that now, and that will generate sample findings for us, which will hopefully come in now shortly. Okay, we have a load of sample findings here. So let's give it a few minutes and see if they come into our email. Hey guys. Yes, so this looks like it worked. Now, strange thing, I think I just don't leave enough time in between when I created when I changed the rule to 15 minutes. It just seemed to, I had to do it again, but you can see now here all the alerts that come in. So what I suggest is if you don't get them initially, just give it a couple of minutes and generate these sample findings again. So that means when guard duty now triggers, you get an alert to your email, you can respond. Again, I'm not too sure why AWS made this so complicated. Really, you would just like send alerts to this email, but that's how you do it. Give yourself that little bit of extra comfort that if something awry happens, you can just go and you can respond to it quickly. I hope that's helpful. Any questions will comment below, and if I can help, I certainly will. Please do like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.